iPhone 11 unboxing. Okay guys, are you ready for this? So I am going to use the pull tab. I know I should use a knife, but so here's the 11. I went with the green. I really like this color the best. It was between the yellow, the green, or the white for me. I got the red on the SE and I liked it, but it's kind of, I don't know what it is. Red is my favorite color, but sometimes I get sick of it. So here is the box. Ooh, here is the phone. Oh, look at that. It's green. I like this green. This green is nice. That looks good. We're gonna set that off to the side. Let's see what comes in. It just legitimately did this. Hello, pamphlet, Apple stickers. Gotta keep those. I'm not gonna like take everything out. Well, I'm gonna take things out to show you guys, but I'm not gonna like keep it out. Headphones, which I have AirPods, so I'm not gonna need these, but you know, you never know. Charger cable, never can have enough of those. Putting that back, and then the normal charging brick. So, without further ado, let's get to the phone. Here it is. Ooh, he's so nice. Same size as the XR, and I think I have one case that will fit this, because I have a bunch of XR cases, but I have one that's an 11. Remember, I made a video about it. It was the Apple case for the 11. A bunch of you guys were super mad at me, because you guys thought it was going to be an iPhone 11 that was going into that case, and I'm like, I only had the XR at that point. So that's what I bought the case for, but now I'm kind of happy that I got it, because I can just put this in it, and then I'm going to get a protective case at a later date. But yeah, let's take off the front thing for you guys. Ooh, yeah. That's so nice. Yeah, this is the 11. I really like it. Let me go put it in its case. Okay, guys, I put it in its case, and it is on. Ooh, it's been a long time it's been a long time since I've had a Face ID phone, and by that, I mean, like, a month. But, yeah. So we are going to set this up. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Brand new iPhone SE. It came at, I think, about like 30%, looks like. Or brand new 11, sorry. Still used to the SE. But yeah, I really like this color. Oh yeah, this is nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.